I came across a tweet from Nitin Kamath, who is the CEO of Zerodha, where he said that less than 1% of active traders in India make more than fixed deposit returns in India. This is in the last 3 years time frame. This to me is a phenomenal stat. There is a reason to believe what Nitin is saying is true, because they are the number one stockbroker in India and they have all the data available at their disposal to draw that insight. Considering that what Nitin is saying is true, what makes a lot of people, especially the new entrants in the market, believe that they can be in that 1% elite club of traders without too much of preparation or lack of basic understanding of how the futures and options work? The simple answer for this could be greed. Many look at the markets as a place to make easy money, but remember, market may be generous for a few months or in a year and make you believe that, oh, I've cracked this, and make you feel like you are a genius. Eventually, once the luck runs out, you will lose a lot of money, and unfortunately for a few, the vicious circle never stops. The reality is that stock market, more so true for futures and options segment, is probably the toughest place to make money. Does that mean that you should not trade in futures and options? No, who am I or anyone to say that don't do this or do that? But just like any other professional skill that you may have and you're applying in your job or business, learning stock market is also a skill that you need to inculcate and learn and spend time and work towards it. Otherwise, ask yourself, how can you be in that 1% elite traders club without any preparation or understanding of the market? FNO at the end of the day is a zero-sum game. If you are losing money, somebody else is making money on your behalf at your cost, and if you are making money, somebody else is losing money. By looking at the stats, it is pretty evident that the traders who are winning, the 1% elite club of traders, are the ones who are winning, are the ones who are prepared for many years to latch on to the unprepared traders. That's the nature of the game, whether we accept it or not. Just because one can open a trading account very easily, and more so easily you can punch trades even from your mobile, don't be a punching junkie. So what are the points to note if you want to start your FNO journey? Number one, in my opinion, is learn how the markets function. Learn how the FNO function. Unlike say 10 years ago, nowadays there is so much of free material and even paid sources that are available at a reasonable cost. If you really want to understand and learn about the market, my recommendation would be start with Zerodha, a great place to learn about market, and all the concepts, all the complicated concepts are explained in a very, very simple language. That was my first go to source when I started learning about the markets. The next one could be Learn app, which provides a structured learning path in understanding the markets, whether it is trading or investing, at a reasonable cost. And follow many traders or investors in Twitter who explain the logic of what they do, how they do, rather than keep sharing a lot of fancy P&L screenshots that I made so much of money and etc. Don't fall prey to the Twitter trading screenshots and blockbuster trading strategies that few try to sell, which promise to double or triple your money in no time and etc. Most likely they're not what they are. The second point that I want to highlight here is understanding leverage. Entire FNO market is based on leverage, which means anytime if you're trading futures and options, you're trading more than what you have in your trading account. To give you a quick example, if you have say 1.5 lakh in your trading account, you can technically take a position of Nifty 1 lot future, which is of 50 quantity, that in the market price could cost you about 8 lakh or 9 lakh. Leverage is like fire. If you know how to use it, if you can use it properly, you can make a beautiful dish, or you can burn your house down. The third point, risk management. Many lose in the market not because how many losing trades we have, but how much we lose in our losing trades. The most successful traders in their lifetime of trading have about 50 to 55% of the success ratio, which means the other time, almost 40 to 50% of the time, they are losing money in all the trades that they are making. It goes back to the point that I've just mentioned. It's not about winning. It's about how much you control your losses, how much less you lose in your losing trades. So how much you're willing to put at risk in each trade, what is your risk reward ratio, and mentally are you comfortable with that risk is the most important thing. The next point I want to highlight is don't sell options. At least in the initial starting phase of your F&O trading, don't sell options. I know there's a lot of buzz that's going on these days with many people trying to sell option courses promising crazy amounts of returns, but option selling is a very high skill game. If you don't manage your risk well, you will lose a lot of money. There's a saying that goes in the market which kind of sums up option selling, where it goes like option sellers eat like ant and shit like elephant. The next point is follow a trading system. If you've come this far in your F&O learning, most likely that you'll be overwhelmed with a lot of learnings and many crazy strategies as well. Freeze on a few strategies and have a trading system that you're mentally comfortable, that you can follow day in and day out without any compromise on risk management. Have strict rules, and no matter what, don't deviate from it. I know it's very easier said than done, because once you started trading in the live market and once you start seeing some kind of a drawdowns in the trading system that you've deployed, you started doubting yourself and you started doubting your trading system as well. I've been guilty of it many times as well. So it happens to everyone, but do not deviate from the rules that you've set for yourself, no matter what. And most importantly, a trading system will help you to overcome the two main emotions that rule the entire market, that is greed and fear. Finally remember, trading is not about any fancy strategy. It's about you. It's about us, the traders, because most of the times we lose not because of any underperforming strategy. We lose because we lose here. It's about you as a person. It's about you, what kind of mental discipline that you have in following a certain kind of trading system. The whole point of this video is to cut through the bullshit and be honest about a lot of notions that one has about futures and options segment. And frankly, many of us fall prey to it ignorantly, at least in the starting of our trading journey. I hope this video is useful, and please let me know in the comment section whatever the feedback that you have about it, and what are your main learnings about trading in the markets. This is Pawan. I'll see you in the next video.